Hey guys, Jeff here from JB Customs. So I've got the Corrado 16 valve which I've just bought in the UK. So it has previously been stripped, so I've bought this and everything else in it, spare doors, bumper, dashboard and everything. It is going to be quite a project, but this will get completely rebuilt. It's got, believe it or not, full service history. It's got everything with it, all the MOTs from the UK. I know it doesn't look like it, but no major rust. We've got a little bit of rust up on the top here, but nothing that can't be sorted out. Yeah, so I'll keep you posted what's happening with this one. So it's just at my mate's workshop, TGI Solutions in Camperdown in Newcastle, and this will be getting picked up on the 2nd of July, put into a container and sent across to Australia. Okay guys, have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe please, and give us a big thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll keep you updated on the progress of this.